Mastering Idioms, Unraveling Stay by the Fire. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore the idiom, stay by the fire. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering any language, and understanding them can really bring your language skills to life. So, let's dive in and warm up our knowledge with this cozy expression. The phrase, stay by the fire, can be taken literally or figuratively. Literally, it means to remain close to a fire, usually for warmth and comfort. Figuratively, it's a bit more complex. It often implies staying in a place where you feel safe, comfortable, and secure. It can also suggest sticking with what's familiar, instead of venturing into unknown or challenging situations. While the exact origin of this idiom is unclear, it's rooted in the basic human need for warmth and safety that a fire provides. Historically, a fire was the center of the home. It's where people cooked, stayed warm, and gathered for safety. In modern language, stay by the fire is used in various contexts, often encouraging someone to stay in their comfort zone or warning against taking unnecessary risks. Let's see how this idiom can be used. Advice: you should stay by the fire for now. The job market is too unpredictable. Comfort: after a long day, there's nothing better than staying by the fire with a good book. Understanding the context is key. The phrase can be used literally on a camping trip or figuratively in a business meeting. Idioms like stay by the fire enrich language, making it vibrant and expressive. Recognizing and understanding these phrases will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the cultural nuances of the English language. Thank you for joining me today as we unpacked the meaning behind stay by the fire. Whether you choose to stay by the fire or venture out, remember that every idiom you master adds warmth and color to your conversations. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.